Yeah, I think I'm starting to see a trend develop here between washing machines and my backyard getting chewed up. This time there's two of them. What's better than one machine is two. That one's got noisy bearings. That one's perfect. Only thing is it's been thrown in the junk pile and busted up. So I don't think this one will be going ever again. It came from Harvey Norman, so it'll have something minor wrong with it. Someone just decided to get a new machine. It's been chomping into the glass front housing. Apparently this one's made in the UK, which is surprising because these usually come from the same factory in China. This one here already wired it up and changed the brushes on it because the brushes were burnt out. It does have very nasty bearings on the motor and the drum. That one's a Whirlpool. This one here, can't remember what that is. Ultima, okay. I'm sure Photonic Induction would have fixed a few of these in his time. He's an appliance technician, or company owner, I guess. Oh, let's pull the lids off and just see any similarities inside. And that's the drain there, I think. And that's... no, it says high voltage on it. Probably power cord connection. Okay, there's some component style differences in these, but they're really mechanically they're all the same. There's no real difference at all. Probably is assembled in UK, but I strongly doubt it's made entirely there. It'd be all Chinese components and they just put it together. The concrete weights are even made by the same company, Purcell or whatever it is. Yeah. It'd be interesting to take these off and then throw some heavy weight in it. I don't think it'll appreciate it. There's a level switch down there, level switch there which has been knocked off. When they threw it on the ground, everything shifted that way and this weight is smashed into the soap box. I'll try and get this bottom access cover off and just compare the motors. Well, that sucks. The motor looks very similar, but look at the windings. That's not a brush motor. It's a bloody induction motor, and there's its three-phase drive. Oh, that sucks. I'm going to have to swap that out if I can find one that'll fit. But they all have different mounting feet, so I don't think I'll be able to do that. I can only work out what the wires are and hook it up to the variable speed drive. This looks like there's been water leaking down there too. Might be why they canned it. Yeah, I'm going to have to work out what's going on with that plug. I think the two black ones are the tacho, but there's 5 other wires instead of just 3, so I'm guessing there's multiple speed windings as well. It's bad, really bad. Oh well, it's all good fun. We'll find a way to kill it anyway. Yeah, they can boast quiet noise because the 3-phase motor doesn't scream its head off. I've got it running a standard rinse and spin program. It's just doing a pre-rinse. There's no water connected, so it's not spraying as it rotates. But that's why they run so quiet, because they use these. Compared with this one, which I'll fire up in a minute, and you'll see the big difference. Even though that one has bad bearings, which is even worse. But that's just casually doing what it does. Probably not much wrong with this anyway. Cancel that. Oh, there we go. I think we can just make this thing spin. Let's resume the same program. Bugger. All the buttons are fucked now. You have to figure out a way to hotwire that. It's not even cancelling. Damn it. Oh, I'll just let it do its thing for 43 minutes. If I hear it starting to spin up, I'll try and catch it. See how fast it goes. It probably would go pretty fast. Fast enough to kill itself. But these ones here are the most fun, especially when they're only held together with spring clips. That one's working alright. Bit of grease up. You can tell the plate's already bent or warped. I don't think this one will live very long at all. But I have greased the bearings with some spray grease and just hit the V-belt with a bit of tyre shine just to stop it from complaining. It ended up with grease all over it. But it seems to be working alright now. No soft starter here, it's just going to go full noise. If I can get the damn thing plugged in. Oh, I hope it didn't yank the plug out of the wall either. Bastard. Yeah, that drum's a little bit sad. It's not rattling around like some of them I find though. Some of them are all busted up already, or the mounting holes have egged themselves out and the whole drum's just jumping around inside. It might do the job. Now this is the best stuff for fixing belts though. I think this stuff's old enough to still have CFCs in it. It's good shit. No, hydrocarbon. Well, that's a shame. I honestly hope it had CFC in it so that I could destroy the ozone layer while I'm lubricating a belt. Well, I should say cleaning it. It's a nasty little solvent though. You don't want to get it on you. Oh well, let's leave this thing.